Hi guys, today I will be replacing the oil or changing the oil of this 2007 Honda CRV with this Valvoline Restore and Protect 5W30 motor oil. But before that, I would like to see the condition of the valve inside this engine. I will use a bore scope to do that. This So this is pretty good. There's no sludge. This one. And okay, I will try this camera in this car. So see inside of this. It's very handy to have this camera. You can see inside. Also good if you want to see the piston, but I will not do this now. You can also have recording. You can see it's a bit dirty. Okay, this car has run 140,464 kilometers. This will be my starting point before changing oil to Valvoline Restore and Protect. Right now we are starting with before changing to Valvoline Restore and Protect. Okay, I have replaced the oil with the Valvoline Restore and Protect. So this just one day after changing a few kilometers only. So there's still dirt here, same as before. Closer look inside. Okay. Okay, now this is the reading 140,485. So it ran a few kilometers after changing oil. So I start the engine out. So cold start in the morning. Okay, after 200 kilometers using Valvoline Restore and Protect. Okay, after running 300 kilometers using Valvoline Restore and Protect. So let's see inside. Okay. Just try to clean up. The car has run 140,821 kilometers. So let's try to start it. Okay, the reading is now 141,237 kilometers. So it's almost 800 kilometers since the change oil to Valvoline Restore and Protect. So let's see inside the hole for the valve cover. Okay, let's see inside. Try to record. No, just a video. Record. Then this part. Okay, so that's it. I'll just come back next time. Okay, let's hear the cold starting sound after nearly 800 kilometers. Okay, this car has run 141,497 kilometers. So it's approximately a little bit more than 1,000 kilometers since I changed oil to Valvoline Restore and Protect. So I'll show you inside top cover. Okay, just remove the cover. Then try to record this one. So after 1,000 kilometers, yep. Yeah, how it looks. So see a lot of some stains there. So let's see. So I'll just keep you updated while I'm still using this car. So right now, as I mentioned, is a little bit more than 1,000 kilometers had passed. Just put the cover back on. Then try to start the engine and hear the sound of this one.